Hiya YouTubers, this is Superman G, come back at you one more again. And in this video, I am going to explain the uses of the 4 different DVD media types. This comes as a request from one of my subscribers. Internal DVD or optical drives are not really built into some modern computers anymore, but you can still purchase an internal or external DVD drive if you need one. Also note that all the mentioned DVD types can be used for backup or storage of your computer's media, which means you can save files, folders, pictures, music, and other data onto the DVD. When looking for DVDs to put your data onto, it can be a bit confusing because of the 4 different media types DVDs are made into. These 4 types are DVD plus R, DVD plus R DL or dual layer, DVD plus RW, and DVD minus R. Each of these media types can hold either video and or data, but only one of these will work in a DVD player that's connected to your television. Let's start with the first media type, DVD plus R. DVD plus R can hold audio, video, and or data. This disc can be used for saving or backing up files on your computer. The total amount of data and or video that can be stored on this disc is 4.7 gigabytes. This disc can only be read from a computer's internal or external optical drive and not from a DVD player that connects to your television. DVD plus R, DL, or dual layer can also hold audio, video, and or data from your computer. This disc is the same type as the DVD plus R mentioned before, but instead of it being able to store just a total amount of 4.7 gigabytes of data, it can store 8.5 gigabytes of data, which is double the size of the regular DVD plus R disc. This disc also can be read from a computer's internal or external optical drive and not in a DVD player connected to your television. DVD plus RW can hold audio, video, and or data. This disc is the only type that has a unique feature where you can write data to it and rewrite over information that is currently on the disc. The ability to rewrite information on this disc does have a limit of up to 1,000 times. This disc can hold 4.7 gigabytes of data and can only be read from a computer's internal or external DVD drive and not from a DVD player connected to your television. The last type is DVD minus R. This disc can hold audio, video, and or data. Preferably, this disc is the type to use for making videos you want to play in a DVD player connected to your television. It can hold 4.7 gigabytes of data or 120 minutes of video. This disc can also be played on a computer's internal or external drive. And that's it. I hope this helps you guys out in deciding on which type of DVD you will need for your next project and clears up any confusion about the different formats. Till next time, you all take care, be safe, and peace out.